fifth grade violin viola players, welcome to part 2 of Allegro. This is what part 2 sounds like. Alright, so this part is a little bit longer and smoother, so we're going to start with the beginning here. So will you please be my echo? I'm going to find first finger B and echo me. B, B, A, D, ready, here you go. Try it again. B, B, ready, go. One more time, go. Awesome, let's play that twice in a row. Listen first, then your turn. One, two, ready, play. Awesome, next part sounds like this. Okay, let's divide that into 2 parts. First part, be my echo. B, C sharp, D, B, try that, ready, go. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 1, your turn, ready, go. Again, 2, same thing, go. One more time, here you go. The next part is this. A, F sharp, E, try that, ready, play. Try it again, 2, ready, play. One more time, 2, ready, play. Alright, let's put those parts together. So remember our beginning of this section sounds like this. B, B, A, D, get ready, 2, 1, 2, B, go. Okay, let's back it up to this part. B, C sharp, D, B, ready, review it, go. One more time, 2, ready, and go. And that note, we're going to just hold until the conductor's arms go like this. It's called a fermata. You just hold until you see that cut off. All right, let's try that whole section one more time. So B, B, get ready, here you go now. Hold, cut off, and now we finish the song just like we started it. So let's find our high D and get ready to play. D, D, A, ready, go now. All right, I'm going to play the entire song. Please feel free to play along with me. Okay, so starting on high D, 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 A, ready, go now. One, two, ready, go! All right, and that's the whole song. Nice job. Good luck practicing.